Yeah, after seeing somebody bathing with the roaches and then seeing somebody fry the roaches right after cleaning this thing, I had an icky feeling and it made me, yeah. So it's safe to say that this story did not start here, but it ended here. I couldn't wait to get here to this point. But before that, yeah. Anyway, y'all welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna do a walkthrough of the before and we'll get the after at the end per usual. Y'all like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And this is what it is. You got a roach infested RV that somebody need to stay in. And yeah, it's pretty bad, but some people just need what they need at the moment. And a lot of people be like, oh, burn it or throw it out or you can't stay in there and da 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 da. But everybody ain't got it like this. This is what they have. And I'm going to do whatever I can to try to make it livable for them at this moment in time. Because, again, everybody not financially stable to do what other people are. And some people just got to do what they got to do. And it's one of those moments. First stage for the first day is sealing up the windows, bombing, and trying to get as many roaches as I could get dead before I come back for day 2. And we got about 4 in there. We out of here. We'll be back on day 2. Okay, so we got all the trash, all the bull crap, everything out of there. Old food, dishes, everything. We vacuumed all the dead roaches, some alive. So we got everything out of there. So our next stage is going to be wiping and cleaning most stuff that we can. And this is just disgusting, but y'all know what it is. Let's get back to getting rid of some dirt. You heard me? We right towards the end, y'all. I just want to explain this little part right here. I went and got some more bombs to bomb this again. I brung everything in. I got everything kind of spacious. I'm gonna open up the cabinets and stuff again because I feel like it need bombed like 20 more times, of course, but I'm only doing what I could do. I also left some chemicals, some disinfectant and degreaser cleaner so they can clean after this bomb again, but because I only could do so much within my budget, but I did leave that for them, 2 bottles, fresh bottles, that's pretty concentrated, and they'll be fine with that. So a little extra help could go a long ways in people's lives. Again, this is for someone that needs this, and I think with me doing this, it'll make it easier on them, and in their lives. I also have this gel, this gel stuff here in this little tube. And when I say it works miracles, it works miracles. So I'm gonna apply this in all types of areas. You won't see all the areas that I apply it in, but it'll be in these areas, above the cabinets, above the doorways, the trim, just in little spots. And the roaches, they're going to eat it, and they're going to take it back to their colonies, and it's going to kill, 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 kill. And we're here to the end. That isn't really the end because this is prior to the last bombing, but I wanted to do a walkthrough of the after for you guys can see it without me opening the cabinets and all that stuff. So it's clean, it's bombed, it's going to get bombed again. That you guys seen that area there, I couldn't do anything with, but I did put a lot of powder and gel over there so it could just kill, kill, kill. So they'll be able to come in and clean, and they'll be able to come in and wipe up the spray and stuff, and they should be good. So y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff.